Today we're going to be changing out the headlight switch on our 1977 Corvette. What you'll need for this job is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 wrench to unhook your battery, and your new light switch. Let's get started. We'll be taking off the screws on the two screws on the side, two screws underneath, the three screws that are up here, 1, 2, 3, and then there are two screws over here on the side. There's one up here and there's one over here. Our battery has the little knobs on it, which is 5/16, and we're gonna disconnect the battery before we start this operation here. So there's no, your light switch will spark. Try to take it out. So we just unhook your battery here. Okay, place that like that. Before we do that, so I don't hit my head, I'm going to take the T-top off, which is a double latch. So if you have your tilt wheel, of course, when I did these, I tilted the wheel down. Now I'm going to tilt it back up. If you have a fixed wheel, you just have to work around it. Okay. Of course, this is your switch for the headlights also, right there. These two vacuum hoses will hook into the switch. Okay. So I'm going to pull down on this. Okay, so there's your switch right there. In order to get, now the top of our light switch is off, but you have to take this out before you can take your switch out. And on the bottom here is a button. I can show you on this switch. There's a button right here. So if our switch is in like this, it's right up here. Press that button and then pull your stalk out. Okay. All right, so I press the button on the side and then I release that. All right, now you can kind of put that back. And right here, you can see there's two notches. So you need a big tip on this. See if you can get it in here. See it moving? So that's how you do that. And that will unscrew. And hopefully this isn't epoxied in, because if it is, then now that we can pull this down, get this out. Yeah, our switch is a little hot. Here's your two vacuum hoses. Take that off and that off. Make sure they stay there. Okay, so that one goes to the far one and this one goes to the near one. And then here's your switch. Mine is very hot, so we're gonna pry that out like that. Our new switch, and put it in. Put all the proper. All right, new switch in. Vacuum hose 1. Vacuum hose 2. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Just trying to get her in there. Slide them on real good. Pull this back in like that. Line it up. You can see that. And when you line it up, I'm just going to grab my big old screwdriver here. There we go. Okay, got it. All right, so that's how you do it. Just be patient and then give it a try. All right, I'm not gonna put everything together just yet. but I kind of want to put this together real quick. When you put this back, the metal grate for the lights, to keep the lights up, actually goes on there too. So I just start that like that. There we go. Perfect. Don't mind me shaking. I'm an old man. That was probably the wrong screw. And that's how you fix your headlight switch on your 1977 Corvette. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.